Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll show you how you can create group chat in Instagram. So let's go ahead and simply start with opening our Instagram application. So once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the message icon right over here, and then simply tap on this little icon. Now you will then be able to find an option that says group chat. Tap onto it and then select the person you want to create a group chat with. Once done, tap on create chat, and just like that you will then be able to create a group chat in Instagram. If you would like to name the group, go ahead and tap on change name and image. Type in the group name right over here and change the image you want. If you would like to change the images that is in your gallery, tap on this little icon and choose it from your gallery. Once done, simply tap on done, and as you can see, the group has been created. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.